Welcome to Yesenia Gonzalez XO, and today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious pickled onions with carrots and jalapenos. The ingredients you're going to need are sliced up red onions, and I prefer the red onions because they give the pickled onions a nice color, sliced up carrots, and sliced up jalapenos, oregano leaves, oil, and it depends on what oil you have. You can use either olive oil or cooking oil, whichever one, salt and pepper. You'll need a large mixing bowl big enough to hold all the ingredients in. And I am wearing gloves since I am going to handle jalapenos. I don't want it to irritate my skin. I'm going to make two batches, one with jalapenos and one without. So right now I'm putting half of the onions in the bowl. This first batch that I'm doing is actually the one with jalapenos. I'm adding my carrots and my jalapenos. You can make it as spicy as you like by just adding more jalapenos, or as colorful as you like by adding more carrots. It's totally up to you. Once everything is in the bowl, I'm going to mix everything up and make sure everything is well mixed. At this point, I'm going to add the oil. And again, you can use both olive oil or cooking oil, whichever one you have. The oregano leaves. Salt and pepper. Mix everything up and make sure everything is well saturated and coated. And I'm sorry if the camera is moving a lot. I'm trying to film this with one hand. After mixing everything up and you feel that it might need just a little bit more oil, you can add at this point. I'm going to go ahead and add some to mine. Just a little bit, not a lot. And I'm going to make sure everything is well mixed. And it should be ready to put in the jars. I didn't mention this in the beginning, but what I use to store the onions are glass containers. And in the glass container, I have 3 parts of white vinegar to 1 part of water. And we're going to start putting in the onions. We're going to try to stack it in as much as possible. Now that we're almost at the top, I do want to leave a little space just in case I need to add more vinegar. At this point, you can see if you need more vinegar to cover the onions. I'm going to add some more to mine. Now that all the onions are covered with vinegar, you can taste it to see if you need more salt. And at this point, I will add more salt to mine. Try to mix it as good as possible. And now we're ready to make the batch with no jalapenos. Same as before, I'm mixing everything up, making sure everything is well saturated. And remember, this is the batch without any jalapeno sauce. And I'm going to put them in these 2 glass containers. Same recipe as before. 3 parts white vinegar with 1 part water. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this easy recipe for pickled onions. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye.